or present. You're all in class 11th and 12th. So we have this cycle: study, eat, sleep, repeat. Okay. It's unfortunate, but definitely the competition is so much that you are bound to do. If you don't do it, you will be losing out. Okay. Personally, I'm not a great fan of this philosophy, but to survive in this world, you may have to do this. Okay. So this graphic explains streamlines which are compressed in a sense like you have a lot of stress here. Okay. Too much to study, too little freedom. Okay. And that is not good. So what happens after your class 12? You may choose these options like engineering, architecture, medicine, and so on and so forth. Once you choose, few seniors or maybe you might also feel that I put in so much effort. Now I'll not stop. Like I'll stop studying and not do anything else because I've already stopped studying for class 4. This is what I hear from my students also. Okay. So what happens is this: there is a sudden expansion in all of your lives that you might end up losing track. All these red arrows you see, they are the scenarios or set of students who will misuse the freedom when they go out of this or when they join a new course. Okay. So philosophically, please try to have some goal in your life. Okay. So you try to work towards it and don't get lost here and there. Okay. This is a very important phase of everyone's life. That is one of the reasons why I emphasize a couple of minutes on this particular scenario. Okay, if you have chosen to become an engineer, what branch should you take? Okay, so the order which I have written is roughly the order in which these branches came into existence. Civil was one of the earliest branch of humankind. Then mechanical, aerospace, chemical, electrical, electronics, computer science. The latest being artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data analytics, all those keywords you might be hearing these days. Okay. So what you want to do in your life, that is very important. So I have given these three keywords for you. One is passion, then there's a demand, and there's a supply. Passion means you want to do something in your life, right? If you're very particular about a particular thing, please do that. Choose that particular branch. Okay? So for example, I had a passion to become a mechanical engineer because I'd like to play with stuff. Open stuff, close it, make sure it is working. If something is broken, try to repair it. I enjoy doing it. Okay? And if you are very passionate about programming, definitely you should join a course that is related to computer science or artificial intelligence or something similar. Okay? So ultimately, whatever you do in life, you should enjoy doing. So this passion is a very important term for all of you. Don't get into pressure from someone, maybe your parents or your relatives or your friends. Okay? Just because someone is joining a particular branch doesn't mean that you also have to join. So look what you want to become in your life and choose accordingly. Then we have something known as supply demand. Okay? So imagine the current scenario. I don't want to take names of few institutes. What they have done is they have literally closed down civil and mechanical or some other branches, or they have not increased the number of seats, and they have increased the number of seats in a particular branch, say computer science, 15, 18, 20 sections. Okay? So that is not acceptable in the sense that the quality degrades. And more importantly, what will happen to those many people when they come out? Do they have so much demand? Definitely not. Okay. So just because there is a vicious circle here, few people keep on saying that this particular branch is good, this is good. But what I want you to think is get input from many places and ultimately take a decision based on these three aspects. Next, we have this particular visual I have put. So as you can see on the right side, there is a big Mars. And this is like a simple fulcrum you would have studied in physics, like a seesaw. Okay. And if you have put enough force at shorter distance, I'll be able to lift that. Right? So this force should be your impact in life also. Right? Doesn't matter what branch you choose, but definitely you should know where to apply for, how much to apply for. So these are some of the qualities that I would like you to pursue. One is you should be unique. Unique means I should not be replaced by someone else. So that is one of the reasons why we have so many jobs. So for a person like me, if someone considers me to be a very important person, they will not remove me from a particular job. Okay. Similarly, you should be hardworking. So you should always deliver to your peers and also to superiors. Okay, and that is only possible if you do some hard work. There is no shortcut in life. We should be focused and determined, okay, to do a particular task. Then, yeah, this is something very important. We should always keep learning. Class 12, end of learning, no. BTech, end of learning, no. Okay, every day there will be something new to learn. If you do a job, if you go for higher studies, definitely there is always, you have to keep learning. Okay? And finally, this one, adaptable. Adaptable means you should be willing to accept changes. So, for instance, this COVID situation has forced us all to make it online. All the classes are being conducted online. So you guys had difficulty in your postponement of your exams, and again all your classes became online. So many things have happened in the last 5 months. Okay, so that is because of some pandemic, and it might repeat in future also. So that means what, we should be ready and we should be adaptable. Whatever happens, we should change ourselves and work towards goals.